Wow, I cannot believe these are on sale right now. These are my favorite keyboards, the Aula F75. I literally just picked up three of these, one for myself, my wife, and my brother for about $80 each. But right now you can pick them up for as low as $44.51. They do have three different color options. And you also get the awesome features with the scroll wheel that controls your volume. You can also use it to change the RGB colors on the keyboard and just listen to this thing. Yeah, that's a creamy keyboard. It's one of the best keyboards out there. And for the price right now, you have to grab one. I'm going to tag these down below.